Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 18th video, we will focus on how can we fix South African borders. Fixing South African borders is a complex issue that requires a multifaceted approach. Here are some steps that can be taken to address the challenges facing South African borders. 1. Increase border security. One of the main issues facing South African borders is a lack of security. The government could increase funding for border security, improve training for border officials, and enhance the use of technology, such as biometric scanners and drones, to monitor and secure the borders. 2. Improve infrastructure. Improving the infrastructure at South African borders could help to facilitate trade and travel, reduce congestion, and improve efficiency. This could include building new ports of entry, improving roads and bridges, and upgrading facilities such as customs checkpoints and immigration offices. 3. Streamline administrative processes. Streamlining administrative processes such as customs clearance and immigration procedures can help to reduce delays and costs for businesses and travelers. This could involve simplifying paperwork, introducing electronic processing systems, and improving coordination between different government agencies. 4. Address corruption. Corruption is a major problem at South African borders, with reports of bribery and other forms of corruption by border officials. The government could take steps to address corruption by improving transparency, accountability, and oversight, and implementing strict penalties for corrupt behavior. 5. Strengthen regional cooperation. Strengthening regional cooperation with neighboring countries can help to address common border challenges and improve cross-border trade and travel. This could involve establishing joint border patrols, sharing information and intelligence, and promoting regional integration. By taking these steps, South Africa could improve the efficiency, security, and effectiveness of its borders, which would benefit both the economy and its citizens. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.